Place cameras to cover every approach and activity area without blind spots. For backyard security camera placement outside the home, aim for coverage that detects intruders and monitors children and pets while minimizing false alerts. Mount cameras at each corner of the property on posts between 8 and 12 feet high or on fascia so the lenses clear fence lines and landscaping while remaining out of easy reach. Overlap fields of view by at least 30% so motion is captured across adjacent cameras and a subject cannot move between coverage zones unseen. Configure motion zones to exclude trees, shrubs, and bird feeders so the system only alerts you to relevant movement and adjusts sensitivity during seasonal foliage changes. Include infrared illumination or low-light optimized sensors for reliable night vision and choose cameras with wide dynamic range to handle sun glare from west-facing yards. Run all wiring inside ultraviolet-resistant conduit and secure connections in weatherproof junction boxes to prevent water intrusion and deter tampering. 3 common mistakes are placing cameras too low, pointing lenses directly at reflective surfaces, and ignoring power and network protection. When cameras are mounted at human height, they are easy to vandalize, so raise them to the recommended height and use tamper-resistant housings. Avoid pointing cameras toward glass doors, water features, or reflective siding which cause bloom and washout details. Instead, reposition slightly off-axis and use cameras with backlight compensation. Failing to protect power and network lines leads to outages and signal loss. Secure conduits, use a weather-rated surge protector, and keep a local backup recorder or uninterrupted power supply so recordings continue during short interruptions. We manage bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find trusted local contractors for installation and advice, and to help contractors find work and pose questions about installations. We also host a discussion community where we and other members share placement photos, wiring tips, and real-world troubleshooting experiences.